Is this a place that I call home to find what I've become? Walk along the
Blanca people, don't come by here, I tell you no say. About a nearly $500,000 award for me. Eh? Lady. Yeah, so after me talk for you say over nearly $500,000 award to me Blanca. So me always talk. And what day me there, I say somebody carry $30,000 come give me out of the blues they owe me. Don't you hear me talk? And he rake up back me head with all I owe me money. Cause me say yes, somebody can bring $30,000 come give me where owe me. What the rest of them will owe me how long? You see me tell you no Blanca people with me. Me is a giver. And I will give where me heart. They say if you come to me and say yeah, borrow me money, pay me back. Cause me I go look fit. Cause when me give, me give. So after me there now, this morning, good, you know, me nice, clean, robo no give me. I write up donation. One of them will owe me enough. Somebody go see them and say, somebody will know about it. Cause me I tell somebody know where did know say me lend. Cause them did recommend the person to me. And me the person call me when me dey on the van and I say, P did come pay you? The person name start with P. Me not have to call it out by you. So me say, no, I know. And she said, boy, I feel away because I not lie. When I did go lend her the money, I did put in a good word for her. And I say, yeah. She said, so she here to me now. You know, so I see her, Donna. Me and her buck up somewhere. And I see her and I ask her about your money. She said, I not give back Donna that. And I said, Donna rich have money, I give her how much, hundreds of thousands. And I give her US or foreign. And I give her money. And she don't want that. She rich. I not give her back that. So when me hear that, time me I work at ATL when she sign it, Miss Jackie Carter tell me say any money, big up yourself. Miss Jackie Carter, JP for ATL and manager at appliance trader. Miss Jackie give me one paper and say anybody here make to lend money, make them sign to it. And write their name so then give make them sign to it. A lucky thing me did it. So when me hear that my head chip. And that make me put it up this morning, no, my head literally chip cause me can lend you me money. And me cake. And me put money millennium from 2017. Millennium want somebody 150,000 to go fix business and open up business. And then business are go on and then not pay me. And I go say me no want no money, she rich. You know, see she sell how much millions in a cake and I give it in a phone. Then me not pay her back. Brighty. When me hear me no bother want call no more body no more. I drop that and drop for my phone because I know you're there on here. Right up, say all of who owe me with a little one owe me 70, then two are the two biggest money they worth. So the rest of them are little 10,000 and them something. All of who owe me when you come give me my money because courthouse me I go carry no feet. You see when me put that, ask Paula about 10 minutes after me see phone do nobody put me up because them never know me so never. You don't know me mouth enough for me. And a charity money that. And me bake my pudding and me cake them. And if me never come, me never have to bring this past social media because I never borrow it in there. But you know, you never know say God is going to give me one platform to come bring on in here. Pay me my money. Because I no thief, nobody let no. When me all know my money, I never even have charity. Remember, 2017, I don't know nothing about charity. 2018, I don't know nothing about charity. No, when me throw my partner, me sitting on Christmas time, when I come borrow my money. When at Christmas time, everybody in a church out to borrow money. All who have a problem, I want a family, I want to thief my money and borrow it. You see, my one when me work, if me never come in a Facebook contact this morning, see there? 3 persons where owe me wouldn't reach, because every time I call them, people, you see, $150,000, every minute me call. Now go on, you know, me soon come here. Christmas, we're gone and said, I go come pay me $50,000. Because I have one money to get 50. My speed says she come give me 50 because she have one money to get. And she buy up some things for her shop. Yeah. Yeah, her name start with P. Town she live. A somebody recommend she to me. Me no see her, because you should tell the woman, say, we bring she to me. Me not pay her back, you know, say she rich. You know, see how much millions selling a cake and you bit give all about all sorry woman get 100,000 when you know. And this that me here was the remarks this morning. Me say what? Me not get it and you see if you better go call police. Cause of my money and my hard work. That's why I don't want to lend people nothing again. When I say me rather go no. And my money me lend you. I never did have charity if nobody say charity money. Me a walk, me a sleep in a night up and down and now sleep and I go work and sell me smoothie and my things them. And when I come back, when I wicked, the Bible said the wicked barret and pay it not and I really true. You think the Bible can't lie? The whole of them, I wouldn't message I call, 3 of them call me, do. Me know say your platform big, me I beg you do not put me up in a phone. Me I go get my money. You go get it, me go carry some come give you Friday. Well, the other one, so she beg me wait, she deal with some things. Me for wait, she go try sort it out. But it help me take it for give them for make up all that. That's $70,000 there. Landlord did I go put you out and I save landlord for not put you out. And then no at the back of my back so no not pay me. I rather walk up and down and give me money more no borrow it and no pay me. Cause when no borrow it and no pay me, no take me for an idiot. When you no borrow me money and no pay me, you no take me for an idiot. That's why no can't come back to me come borrow no money from me because you don't pay back money. When you not borrow people money, you have every story, every pity party, everything happen. And when you no get the people their money, when you no get the money now, no answer go do no business, no do what you not do. That's why whole heap of loan place in a bankruptcy. That's why whole heap of people sign petition what you call it, guarantee for people when I borrow a loan. I don't make them have to pay. Me that one to make me go up sign sitting for somebody and then left got from me I work at airport and then gone a foreign. But I never me did then I me have to end up pay it back. Pay it back. Cause me go sign same thing. You know, give me my money. Cause me go put the whole on in a phone. And me I talk now. Anyway, me no get back every red cent you borrow from me. Since anything in a secret have to come alight. All I know where they pay where borrow people money and no want pay them. When go pay back the people them who is wicked. Sometimes people are work so hard and come let me want $5,000 now. Friday when me get, you know how much of that me here? Friday when me get pay me give back. And when Friday come on have. Tell Paula say, tell her. Friday come when you no get pay. You no have every excuse in the book. Why my light bill did come? Why my daughter did sick? Why my man did this? Why my mother did this? I don't know why I'm pay back. So anyhow, you know talk about mix up over here, you know got to say mix up. You know pay me because I know charity money this. Oh. Yeah, some good when you come and say, Donna, John, me I got through a little situation. You ready for something or a circle me back? Yeah. Donna, me I go through a little situation, so and so. Them want 10,000 or them want 5. And you help them because they're genuine. And then sometimes they don't have the $10,000 for give you back. Sometimes they come with 3,000. Hold this now. I know you don't like your money in a piece. But just put it down. I know you don't like your money in a piece. But just put on this. And then come at them, the people you see say they're genuine. The wicked borrower no want pay you back and through them see you look something. Them feel like say you feel mind them. Them man they have them yard and them woman they have them yard now mind them. So I no see why me a change just for no me things that no pay me back. They say no see them a come and borrow the money again, don't lend them. All who did have an objection to it this man. You say this is a platform, yeah. That's why when me get black or me get banned, it's for a purpose and me do it. When you make me cuss over here make them ban me or black. When me lend out my things, anyway me carry, I don't know want to pay me, I go carry up on social media with my money. I bet you me I go get the whole of my money then now. And come over here and tell you say them pay me. I bet you me I go get it. You wanna come. You want some of this? Yeah. You know much people are going through crisis. You know much people take themselves gone in a loan place, gone stand guarantor for people and take out loan for people. And the people them get the people their money and run gone and go live all different community. Eh? I know them have to return it and I pay it back. Have you enough ginger?
Sorry, ginger. That have it.
Fear one up. Them go and give me back my money. Because I know someone don't want to no pick me here, so no owe me. And someone don't want me call on no name in a phone call, no. No bush us to us. And your fridge. Never trouble, no. And I not make nobody call me down from top about my own. Because I'm not charity. I don't want nobody sorry for me, because them people they have to pay me. Make me get it and do what I want to do with it. And give it to whom I want to give it to. And throw offering and throw ties with it and plant seed. You don't give me back my money. And when you give me it back to, I'm going to spend it because none can do me. Because first thing I don't believe in a wobia. And first thing all if you don't have the wobia, I can't do me nothing. Because I cover under the blood. Pay me back my money. Like one of them will comment this morning, come tell me everything me bring in a social media. Your friend borrow me money. Pay me my money. I will on the collect up. I will on the good help and near me out. Much you hear me? I wait me send message to you. Me go to you. Me call you now, you know want pay me. Every minute you take me out like goat. Every minute you don't find my number this morning if you call me. You give me my money because you don't depend here. I mean, I'm not skinny now. Yeah, good. No, there I am now, Susie. So let me tell you, no, say. Pay me my money. I will go buy a fridge for. Good. Pay me my money. I want to soul this amount you alone defend it. I tell you, know, I never ever hear things to crown in a phone for my money, you know. See? Yeah, so me I tell you, you don't give me my money and you don't say something in a phone. Since you don't chat after me, I walk and give away money. I may give Cyril girl money, I may give this money. Like a bad man, no bad. So me if you take for me go no too. And from the day me born, I never blow in a woman face, and I no never blow in there. So me no know how come no fi hold on for me money.
Don't do that. Don't do it. If you send away for my money, I'll wait for you. You
Don't have a money argument, I go get it back.
how much money do I say? My money defend it now?
No, I mean you don't know, so I don't need no defender.
You have enough.
Yeah.
How about that fridge?
Yeah, it's true.
Why? I be a clear mama.
Yeah, planka. Yeah, them know most some people come talk, but yeah, no, I talk in a phone so she want people give her back money. Like she want people. I want people money too now. No, she say me have me 10 on them. And me 10 foot and me 10 finger. And 100 mouth. No, me say somebody send me something on my phone to one. Somebody must have said me I put it on social media. So then give me back my money them with the people them. I want people money too, no? See a long time me I make my own. So you not pay me my money and you see if you no name now put up in here. That donna syrup.
You love me, I do.
That's why I don't know if it lend people money. No, sometimes you have some people in some genuine situation. I really need money to borrow for true. We're not allowed to Shana.
You think that are your parents? You said that influence matter to get rid of you.
Not after one of Crystal.
Tishana, that makes your body up, you hear? Because she jealous because she lives in front of her like where you have front of you.
No, you have something better.
Where out?
You have Jerry.
And Jerry Naraya.
Tishana, you get fat though, you know? You look perky. Yeah. Anyway, you go. You go cook.
Yeah.